Hey everyone, if you want to write professional project descriptions on Behance in 2026, like making your portfolio more attractive to clients and recruiters, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to do it properly. First, open Behance and make sure your project title is clear and professional. Avoid random names and use something descriptive like UI design or branding project. Next, write a short introduction explaining what your project is in 1 or 2 lines. This gives viewers quick context. Now, describe the problem you are trying to solve. Every strong project starts with a clear challenge or goal. After that, explain your design or development process step by step. Show how you moved from idea to final result. Next, mention the tools you used, such as Figma, Photoshop, Illustrator, or other software. This shows your technical skills. Now highlight the results of your work. Explain what improved or what you achieved through the project. After that, keep your writing clean and readable. Use short sections instead of long paragraphs. Finally, add relevant keywords naturally so your project can be discovered more easily. This helps with visibility on Behance. So yeah, that's how you write project descriptions on Behance in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your portfolio will look more professional and attract more opportunities. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners. Hey everyone!